thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 11:03 p.m., National Weather radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wanamaker's, or 14 miles southwest of Lehighton, and moving south at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Lenhertsville around 11:25 p.m., Cottstown around 11:40 p.m., Lyons, Fleetwood, and Topton around 11:45 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
Oh, come on.
Windows. In addition to large hail and damage, frequent. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Lehigh.